Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to normalize audio in Audacity step by step. Normalizing helps make your audio louder and more balanced by adjusting the peak level without causing distortion. First, open Audacity and import your audio file by clicking File and then Open. Once the audio is loaded, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select the entire audio track. Next, go to the Effect menu, choose Volume and Compression, and then click Normalize. A new window will appear with several options. Keep the Remove DC Offset option enabled and set Normalize Peak Amplitude to -1.0 decibels. This is a safe level that makes the audio louder while leaving a small amount of headroom to avoid clipping. Click Preview to listen to the result before applying the effect. If the audio sounds clear and balanced, click OK. Audacity will process the file, and after a few seconds, the overall audio level will be adjusted. Play the recording and compare the before and after sound. You should notice that the audio is more consistent and easier to hear.
Hello everyone,
Normalization
and welcome
is
back
especially
to the
useful
channel.
for voice recordings, podcasts, tutorials, and YouTube videos because it helps create a professional and even volume level. Finally, export your audio by clicking File, then Export Audio, and save it as an MP3 or WAV file. That's how you normalize audio in Audacity quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Audacity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.